So I have found the signal in this board that was not working, the laser, three pins connector, and I realized that the laser need to work with 12 volts here, ground in the middle, and the yellow is the PWM, but the PWM is a positive signal, so it stays ground and then goes up for the modularization. And this board, I don't know why they designed to have the PWM in the ground. So I have checked here with the oscilloscope. The ground is oscillating and the 12 volts is stable. And this pin actually, where they say PWM, there is nothing there. So then this guy is a transistor, MOSFET transistor. It's getting the signal from the microprocessor, a positive signal, ground and positive, and modularization is happening in the positive peak. And then the input here, so this one is coming from the processor, and this input here is coming from ground. I don't know what the hell the guy designed like this. And then here is coming out the ground with a PWM signal. That doesn't make sense, and that's why I saw many people complain about this board that is not working the laser. So I just test here. Actually, I use directly from the microprocessor signal, so it's not safe to use like that. I will change this to a normal transistor. I will remove this one. I will put a normal transistor here where I can use the positive signal. So then what I'm doing here, I got a pure ground in this connector actually. Try to show here. I'm getting a pure ground from here, okay, and then I'm getting the original 12 volts from the 3 pins. I ignore the ground here, I ignore the PWM, there's nothing, the PWM, there's nothing connect there. There's no electrical connection this pin. And then my PWM now will be connected somewhere in another transistor here. I can, so you can see the laser working and the PWM working as well. Yeah, so original 12 volts, the ground can be taken from this connector here, okay, and we need to get the signal from here and put in a normal transistor. So change the circuit here and put a normal transistor to make it work.